Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sentry to React UI for error tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a new React project if you don't already have one. You can do this by running the command npx create react app myapp. Navigate into your project directory using cd myapp. Next, install the Sentry SDK for JavaScript with the command npm install at sentry/react at sentry/tracing. Now, locate the index.js file in your src folder. Import the Sentry library at the top of your index.js file using import ** as Sentry from @sentry/react. Also, import the Sentry tracing module with import integrations from @sentry/tracing. You will now need to initialize Sentry with your project's DSN. You can do this by adding the following code below the imports: sentry.init, dsn, your_sentry_dsn, integrations, new integrations.browser tracing, traces sample rate, 1.0, replace your _sentry_dsn with your actual. Next, wrap your main application component with the sentry.errorBoundary component. Locate the line that renders your app component and modify it to look like this: sentry.errorBoundary fallback equals p an error has occurred /p. Now, it's time to create an intentional error in your app to test the integration. Open your app.js file and introduce an error by adding the following code in the return statement: button on click equals, throw new error, test. Save all your changes and return to your terminal. Start your project by running npm start. With your application running, navigate to the browser. Click the button you created to trigger the error. Switch back to your Sentry dashboard. Within a few moments, you should see the error appear in your Sentry project. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Sentry to your React UI for error tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.